guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Janet. If you are not new here, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 of my favorite smoothie recipes. These smoothies are so good, and y'all know I would not steer y'all wrong, okay? So I'm going to show you guys a fruit smoothie, I'm going to show you a green smoothie, and then I'm going to show you a protein banana and nut butter smoothie to die for. Truly delicious. So if you guys are interested in how I create these recipes for these smoothies, keep on watching. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe down below so that you can join the family and never miss an upload. But without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into today's video. All right, y'all, so the first smoothie that we're gonna make is a fruit smoothie, and we're gonna go in with the fruits and green smoothie blend from Trader Joe's. 1 medium banana, some chia seeds, protein powder, and then some almond milk, but you can use whatever milk you like, and then some agave for a little bit of sweetness. So the first thing that we're gonna do is add our fruit blend to our blender. And I like this because it has 4 fruits and 2 vegetables, and they're already frozen. So that helps us skip a step. I'm gonna add the banana, chia seeds, and protein powder, as well as a little bit of agave. I have the measurements on the screen here so that you can follow when you make this at home. And then lastly, we're gonna add a cup of almond milk before blending that up together. And what I really love about this smoothie is that it is packed with protein and just filled with fruits, vegetables, and just goodness. Just a really well-rounded smoothie. So I hope you guys really give this one a try. So the second smoothie that we're gonna make is our green smoothie, and we're gonna go in with some mango, some organic baby spinach, some pineapple tidbits or pineapple chunks, some frozen strawberries, a banana, and orange juice for our liquid. So with this smoothie, I like to start with 2 handfuls of spinach at the bottom. And then I like to go in with the banana on top. We're only gonna use a half of a banana for this recipe. A half a cup of frozen strawberries, frozen mango, and frozen pineapple, and then top that off with a cup of orange juice. And what I love about this smoothie is that it has a lot of vitamin C in it, and it's also very refreshing. So I reach for this smoothie when I'm needing something green and also needing that just like boost of energy and vitamin C. And our last smoothie is our nut butter smoothie, one of my favorite smoothies to make. And we're gonna use a banana, almond butter, unsalted, dates, protein powder, and then some almond milk. You can definitely add some honey, agave, or vanilla extract if you want it a little bit sweeter. But we're gonna start off with the full banana, some protein powder, 3 dates, and 2 tablespoons of almond butter. And this smoothie, y'all, it's giving dessert, but it's so good. So I'm gonna top that off with some ice since we didn't have any frozen fruit in the smoothie, so that it can be very cold. And then some almond milk. But again, love this smoothie. One of my favorites when I need something creamy, a little bit sweet, and just filled with protein and nut butter goodness. All right, y'all, so that is a wrap on our 3 smoothie recipe video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you try these recipes out at home, be sure to let me know down below in the comment section your takes, your thoughts on it. All the information for these recipes will be down below in my description box, so be sure to check that out so that you can try these at home. They're super easy to make, super delicious, nutritional. It's just love in a cup. So I really hope you guys get a chance to try these out at home. But that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will catch you in my next video. As always, peace and love. Mwah. Bye.